In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a belt tensioner on your Honda Accord. This will be located on the passenger side of the motor. Let's get started. Using a 15mm wrench, we're going to get on the tensioner pulley, take the tension off. We're going to pull the belt off of the generator. You can let the tension off the tensioner. We're going to fully remove this belt. Remove the 12mm bolt on the bottom of the tensioner. Pull that bolt out. I'm going to use a 14mm wrench to remove the bottom bolt for the tensioner. This is going to be going through the second pulley. Pull straight up on the power steering reservoir. Pull it out of the bracket. We're going to pull this up to the side, out of our way. Fully loosen the bolt and remove the tensioner. Drop the tensioner down into place and get the bolt started. Get the bottom bolt started. Torque the top bolt to 33 foot-pounds. Torque the bottom bolt to 16 foot-pounds. Pull the belt back over. Be sure it's sitting on all of the pulleys correct. Use our 15mm wrench. Reinstall the belt. Install the power steering reservoir into the bracket.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.